In this video, I am going to show you how to quickly find your home folder in macOS Finder. Why we need to access the home folder? The home folder has all the personal files like documents, photos, everything. So let's see how we can open that thing quickly. At first we need to open the Finder and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now we have to click go and here you will find the home icon is there or menu is there. We just need to click here and very shortly you will be accessed inside this home folder, and from here you can actually access all the things. There is another approach I'm also going to show you. If the Macintosh HD is enabled on your computer, left sidebar, you can click here, it will be opened like this way. Now we need to go user's account and from here we have to go to the user where we want to check that. So this is my user, so I'm going to access here and here we'll see everything is there. So this is actually the home folder for this particular user. For each user there will be something like that. So this is one way to open the home folder, and there is also another way. So if we open it and then we can click here, you will see this type of sidebar menu. If you click here you can directly access the home folder. And to add this next to this sidebar, what we need to do, we need to open the Finder first and then we have to click Finder, then we have to choose settings, and once we are in the settings then we will find four options are there: general, tag, sidebar, advanced. Our goal is to add the home folder inside this sidebar, right? So we just need to click sidebar and from here you will see one icon is there like home, and this is my username. So you just need to check it. By default it will be like that, like when you open when you buy the MacBook or if you reset your Mac, it will be like that. You just need to click here and it will be visible over here, and here I see it's there, and that's it. In this way we can easily or quickly find our home folder in macOS Finder.